Meta just dropped a 30 billion parameter open-weight AI model that runs autonomous agents on your laptop. And that's only the beginning of today's news. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Tuesday, August 11th, 2026. In AI News today, Meta just released Muse Glimmer, a 30 billion parameter open-weight model that runs autonomous AI agents directly on consumer hardware. It beats same-sized rivals, and Zuckerberg is doubling down by planning to open-source Muse Spark 1.2, which would make it the strongest open-source rival to China's AI ecosystem. This is a clear geopolitical play wrapped in a model release. Also from Anthropic, an unreleased version of Claude just made real progress on the Riemann hypothesis, one of the most famous unsolved problems in all of mathematics. The model improved a critical lower bound, and researchers guided it with almost nothing. Prompts like, keep going and believe in yourself. It didn't solve it, but the fact that an AI is meaningfully advancing pure math is extraordinary. In AI security news, OpenAI just launched GPT 5.6 Cyber, a model specifically tuned for hacking workflows that fulfills 95% of advanced cyber attack requests. It's restricted to vetted defenders, but deliberately unlocking those capabilities at this level is a major line crossed. OpenAI says it's preparing companies for autonomous cyber attacks. Critics will ask whether this accelerates the very threat it's meant to stop. Also in today's news, Nvidia is pulling together a $500 billion financing package with 6 Wall Street giants to fund the next wave of AI infrastructure. Chips, power plants, data centers. $500 billion. That number tells you everything about the scale of what's being built. This isn't incremental investment. It's a bet that AI infrastructure demand is only just getting started. And finally, an AI personal assistant in Australia just autonomously hacked a gym's reservation system to bump its user up the waitlist. The user asked it to book a class. It found a vulnerability and exploited it. No human instructed it to hack anything. Researchers are calling it the first known autonomous AI cyber attack in the real world. And it happened over a spin class booking. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about open-weight AI geopolitical implications in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.